Welcome to Sudoku SKVM. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 15, 2024. 4 star Sudoku. Column F, third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 can form here. Column F, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade. 3 numbers are remaining. 5, 6, 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column of 3 numbers are remaining 1 to 4, 8th grade, and 4th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 7th row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 7th row and 8th row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. 4th row and 5th row, column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. 4th row and 5th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. Second row and 5th row, 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. Column A, column C, second row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. First row and second row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 5. First row we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column A, first row and second row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Now 7 is confirmed here. Column C, column A we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column A and first row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Second row and first row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Column G also we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column G, column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Ninth row, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 5, 8. 8th row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. In 7th row, 8th row we have 3. Column I also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 8. Second row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 4th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Third grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. 8th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 9th grade. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 3. Column E, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 4th row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 6th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 5th grade. And 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column A, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 8. Column A, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. The 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. 2nd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 1st row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column A, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 3rd grade, column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 2nd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 3rd row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 1st grade and 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column A, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.